Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make milk poha recipe. I got dates, honey, and a bowl, and milk, and a clue, and a little spoon in a big spoon. Well, let's start. And first, I'm going to add milk into this bowl. And next, add poha. How much more? More. Now we need a spoon, but I'll mix it carefully. Let's add honey, but just a little bit. Forget one spill all sometimes. I'll keep 4 drops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello. And guys, also let the honey. If it's some honey is losing off. Next, mix again, but be careful again. Next, add everybody, some dates are sticky. I better take them. Not this date, it's okay. Next, mix it. Now keep it aside for 2 minutes. I'm going to get off until I wait until I come back. Because it's for 2 minutes. Ready? It's already 2 minutes. We're looking at a recipe. See? Now I will taste it. Just it's our taste. Look at me. Now we can eat it. Everybody, do you want it? It's so tasty. Yum, everybody. It tastes good. It's also healthy. I keep eating, so goodbye. See you later. Yum, 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 yum. If you want to do it, ask your mom or do by yourself. And click this red button